Okay, so binding your transmitter to your Losi Micro B is very simple. All we need to do is plug in our battery, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the light flashes, and then power on the transmitter. And there we have it, how to bind your transmitter to your Losi Micro B. So setting the drag brake on your Losi Micro B is very simple. Simply plug the battery in and power on the receiver and ESC. After you've had the initial sequence of flashes happen, you hold down your power button for 6 seconds until you see another sequence of flashes. There we go. And then we release the power button. That is now in our drag brake setting mode, and we can simply scroll through from 1 to 5 the setting that we want. 1 flash is minimum drag brake, 5 flashes is maximum drag brake, and it is as simple as that. Once you've chosen your setting, simply unplug the power and that will have saved it. And there we have it, adjusting the drag brake on your Losi Micro B. Okay, so setting the endpoints for our Losi Micro B is relatively simple. Now for this, I'm going to use a small pit stand to keep the tyres off the table. We will start by plugging in the battery and powering on the receiver and ESC. Now to put our transmitter into the settings mode, simply hold full reverse and full right while powering on the transmitter and then release. While we are now in the settings mode, to adjust the endpoints on the steering, simply hold the steering in the direction that you would like and adjust using the dual rate dial on the left hand side. Once you have your desired setting, simply release the steering wheel and depower the transmitter. And exactly the same applies for doing it in the opposite direction. Once again, enter the settings mode, full reverse, full right, power on, and then steering in the opposite direction and adjust using the dual rate dial. Release the steering wheel, depower the transmitter, and that will have saved it. And there we have it, adjusting the steering endpoints on your Losi Micro B. Now my advice when adjusting any endpoint on the Losi Micro B is to do one direction at a time and to turn the transmitter off in between. Adjusting the throttle endpoints on a Losi Micro B is relatively simple, and for this I'm going to need a small track stand just to raise the tyres off the table. For this, we are going to need to plug the battery in and power on the receiver. We are going to enter the settings mode on our transmitter by holding full reverse, full right and powering on. Now to adjust our throttle endpoint, we can simply pull our trigger and use the dial to adjust where we have it set. Simply release the trigger, depower the transmitter, and that will have saved your setting. And there we have it, adjusting the throttle endpoint on your Losi Micro B. Now my advice when adjusting any endpoint on the Losi Micro B is to do one direction at a time and to turn the transmitter off in between. And that just about wraps this one up. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop us a comment below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.